build, destroy. For example, they build houses. The storm destroyed houses. Remember, forget. For example, I remember your name. I forget his number. Together, apart. For example, we stand together. They live apart. Ancient, new. For example, this monument is ancient. This mall is new. Few, many. For example, few students came. Many students came. Fresh, stale. For example, the bread is fresh. The rice is stale. Lead, follow. For example, he will lead the team. We will follow him. Modern, traditional. For example, this dress is modern. That dance is traditional. Alive, lifeless. For example, the plant is alive. The statue is lifeless. Common, rare. For example, this fruit is common. That bird is rare. Correct, incorrect. For example, your answer is correct. His answer is incorrect. Deep, surface. For example, the fish swims deep. The boat stays on the surface. Harmful, beneficial. For example, smoking is harmful. Exercise is beneficial. Expand, contract. For example, the company will expand. The business may contract. Clear, cloudy. For example, the sky is clear. The weather is cloudy. Flexible, stiff. For example, this cloth is flexible. The wood is stiff. Forbid, permit. For example, they forbid smoking. They permit entry. Grow, decline. For example, plants grow fast. Sales may decline. Equal, unequal. For example, all students are equal, but their marks are unequal. Cheap, expensive. For example, this bag is cheap. That watch is expensive. Wide, narrow. For example, the road is wide. The lane is narrow. Noisy, quiet. For example, the market is noisy. The library is quiet. Arrive, depart. For example, the train will arrive soon. The bus will depart now. Laugh, weep. For example, the child laughs. The baby weeps. Borrow, lend. For example, can I borrow your pen? I will lend you my book. Sweet, sour. For example, the mango is sweet. The lemon is sour. Full, empty. For example, the glass is full. The bottle is empty.